Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this is my third video this evening. I already released two videos this evening showing three different ticker symbols. They already ran a lot and there is more potential for running tomorrow and these coming weeks. At the same time, I'm making another one on ticker symbol IINN, and you can see that this thing actually ran almost 23% today. Even after hours it is up by 4.78%, and maybe it will be another runner, maybe tomorrow or maybe in coming days, because Friday is no trading, so maybe tomorrow Thursday we will see less trading volume, we will see. But anyway, I want to bring this stock to your attention so that it is on your watch list. I'm not saying it will just run next day, but it could run, I don't know, and I have to spend more time on the fundamentals of this particular company. But here I'll be talking about the price, the short interest, and few other articles. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Patreon community. Join my community, get access to my Discord for getting uh, alert for different ticker symbols. Today's winner was big winners, I would say. SOPA almost 60-70% gain, and it could run even higher. So anyway, my all alert comes with chart, support, resistance, and everything. Okay, let's go back to IINN. So just looking at the chart, you can see since the morning this thing has been moving up. If you look at last 5 days, it moved sideways. Even though the market was choppy, this thing moved sideways, then the boom started. 1 month still green, sideways, big pop, came down, and now making a U-shaped recovery. Just from this chart you can see if it goes over $5, this thing has a potential to run. And many people are talking about a stock which is RELI. They're talking about nice setup. I don't know why, but just looking, you can see like nice setup they're saying. But anyway, I want to talk more about IIN. And what I see here, it has a nice run up around $6 right on 9th of December, came down, and now it is making a recovery. So I'll talk about the price action more. Before that, let's look at few things. This stock runs only there is huge volume. Look at the yellow bar, huge volume, 172 million volume came. This thing is spiked from 2.35 all the way to 9.5, 4 times almost. Again, no volume, slowly bleeding, and again another day, big volume, 166 million. The price moved from 2.7 all the way to 4.95, almost double your money. Again today this thing ran, but look at the volume here. It's a tiny yellow candle compared to other days of volume. So today's volume was only 7.5 million. Think about it. Instead of 7, what about if we get 50 million or 100 or something like 150 million like before? This thing will explode really soon, but it needs volume. That's the most important thing. In terms of the average volume, you can see the average volume is for last 10 trading days is only 11 million. Today's volume was 7 million. So it needs volume. First of all, it needs volume. Whenever volume, you see big spike. Okay. In terms of Intel, the short interest is only 9.6%. For dark pool, short interest 53%. And in terms of short share availability, amazing, 0 shares are available to short. If we go down, 58% shares were shorted today, which is also good. Yesterday was 53%, all good thing. Looking at the number of shares available to short, I found 0, 37, doesn't matter, almost 0, let's say. The borrow fee rate is 87%, which is also good. If you go down, the borrow fee rate changes time to time, but mostly it is flatter between 80 and 90. Also, I found a post on IINN. It talks about a lot of things. Maybe I will cover this end of the video, but one important thing, they are coming with some pattern. So recently they came up with a patent on 14 days ago that the PCT patent application for its flagship ART device, and before that also a few other news. So anyway, let's go back to the chart, then we will talk about the Reddit article. Some people do very nice work. So very important, very important, before I talk about anything, when it goes up, just based on the historic data, you can see it comes down, then moves sideways or slowly it bleeds. Again, a push, comes down, slowly bleeds. So if you see this thing is going higher, $5, $6, I don't know how much it will go, but always protect your profit. You can set a trail stop loss, you can put 5%, 10%, so that whenever it will come down, your shares will be sold automatically, so your profit will be locked. I do not want any bag holder who bought at $10 and the stock came to $2. No, I don't want that. I want you to make money, not to hold a big bag. So first of all, keep that in mind, or always use a stop loss if you enter any particular stock. But just looking at the chart, looks really nice, goes up down. So this is a 30-minute chart. So instead of 30, I'm going to 1 hour chart, and I just want to draw some lines. And normally I do that because I love technical things. So first of all, oh, I have so many lines already. I was hiding those lines. Okay, so what should I do? Okay, hmm, let me adjust because these lines were from my previous day trading. So I will just adjust the lines here. Just give me 1 second. I do not want to give something from. I'm going to take rid of this. Okay, so if you look at the chart here, and I'm going to add one more at the bottom. So 3 was a nice floor. So 3 was a nice floor. It bounced from 3. There was some kind of resistance around 3.67. Why? It was a support here, then it became a resistance the last time. So it broke through 3.7 easily. Now today it hit 4.4. Why? Because 4.4 was a recent resistance. So 4.4, it got rejected and came down. Going forward, if it can break 4.4, I see some upside, let's say towards $5. After 5, maybe towards 5.8 or $6. If it comes down, at what point you should get in? So I'm gonna go from this type of candle to the regular candle. So let's have a look here. If you're waiting for a dip, I think the best dip would be something around 3.7, 3.8, or I would say another support if it never comes to 3.7, maybe these areas. You see how I'm drawing the line, $4. You see some kind of support here, some kind of support here, so $4. So $4 could be your entry, or 3.7 depending on the pre-market. Always use a stop loss, and 4.4 and $5 will be your price target near term. It can go to 5.8, but this is your near term. But if you look at the bigger picture, this is the chart, you see, right? Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Some people also love to draw lines using the higher point. In that case, it is making lower high. If the run is continuing and if it hits the black line, maybe $5, and after that it might pull back, or it might break through the $5 thing and goes higher. But if you are just looking for a trend, the black line can be acting like a resistance because some people use these lines for trading. So all about technicals, right? But most importantly, it needs volume. If you see more volume, this thing will pop. So anyway, just wanted to bring this particular one to your attention. And there is a Reddit article. It came 11 hours 12 hours ago this morning. It talks about IINN potential 5x, 10% shorted. Short squeeze score increases from 90 to 95. So there is a short squeeze score, so it's a good one. It was 3.3 during the time. The score is currently 94.9. This is not my article, I'm just sharing. So anything you see here is not my thing. The thing I like, the float. 5.16 million. So it's a low float thing, and we know if there is more volume, a low float stock can run really hard. And from the chart you can see the day it runs with volume, it runs a lot. So that's a very important thing, it needs volume. It talks about so many things, the parent, the financials and everything. I'm not going to cover that because this is not my topic, but thank you so much for that particular one. He just did it and I'm just sharing, it's not my stuff. So anyway, just wanted to bring this to your attention. So yeah, let me know your thought on this particular stock right in the comment section, if you're holding this or if you're planning to buy this. Like this particular video, subscribe my channel for regular update. At the same time, join my Patreon community and get access to my Discord, where we bring a lot of plays with support resistance plays so that we can all make money each and every day. And I can say that let's make money together. Thanks for watching this particular video. Peace.